we received the letter now from Santa Claus pa.
What's
Say
that?
the letter. This is the list for the why is the light so bright?
Yeah, because it's like
the lights
spotlight.
from the gift light.
Yeah.
From the gift light. Where is
Script.
it? Yeah, from Santa Claus, North Pole. North Pole Elf Road 123. To family forward, Marley Ring. I swear. This is a photo from Santa. Oh my God. Okay, now we receive. Merry Christmas. Okay.
Can I open it?
Open it. Then I'm gonna help you reading. Yeah, because you cannot read yet, na? Francine cannot read yet. Open it.
You know what that is from, Francis?
It's from
Whoa!
Santa Claus. Let me read. Oh.
How can you read this? This is all
Yeah, it's Mama needs to read it.
Mama, that's
Show to Papa there. This is the list of the owners kinsay makadawat sa gift. Okay. Well, let me read. Is your name there, Francine?
I don't know.
Is that your name?
Yeah?
Oh. Santa. Who? Merry Christmas. Santa's gift list to Francine, Francis, Mama Jean, Papa Frank, Ella. Oh, she showed her which color is you. Okay. I'm gonna... Wow.
I'm impressed.
Say what you wanna say to Santa Claus. What you wanna... Yeah.
Thank you, Santa Claus!
Und du, Nase?
Wait,
Francis?
there's a number.
What about you?
What you wanna say to Santa Claus?
You're talking with the numbers here. Thank you.
Why do we hey, I have a question. Why do we celebrate Christmas?
Because I said it.
Because it's Christmas. What?
Jesus is born in Christmas.
Oh, yay! And Francis, why we celebrate
Not
Christmas?
Jesus is born at Christmas.
It's
just
boring.
Jesus born.
Mama, can I
Yeah.
keep this?
Yeah, you can keep that. So when you're big, when at some stage you see Santa, you can show.
You
them
can
Santa.
show off that in the kindergarten.
Yeah.
You can show them, tell them, look at that, I got a letter from Santa Claus.
Yeah. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Wait a second.
Oh, Jean.
Merry Christmas!
Mine is not.
Merry
It's gonna look at the other one.
Merry Christmas!
Santa Claus
Merry
mean?
Christmas! Now!
Who's Santa Claus pa? You? Come here pa. I memorized already the what
Is that
normal.
No.
Yeah. I memorized already what's you want water first? Go.
Mama, where's the meat? Yeah? Yeah.
Jingle, jingle all the way. I'm so fond. We're still down in one to Taurus land.
What are we playing, Mama?
Playing. We are
Jingle bells,
Should be there, actually,
jingle,
behind Francis.
jingle all the way.
Hello.
Hello.
Because I'm going to film the face.
give me that rag that hurts here, my toes.
What?
Give me the rag.
I wanted to sit here.
You are fine. You have your jeans.
What? Yeah, but...
Okay.
Wow, wow.
I'm kissing. We have the
Present!
we have the first one.
Number one!
What? How do you know number one?
That's
The first is
the
number one.
box.
Okay. Number
One!
one. Ella.
Das ist so schwer.
Oh my.
Da ist das Brett vor deinem Kopf.
Ah,
It's
Dankeschön.
Number two.
you should be here, Francis.
No,
No,
number
it's number one. So what we have here? Number 2. What do we have here? We have number 1. We have number 1. Ah! What do we have here? Number 3! Francis! I gotta stand up because I have to come here and get some. Okay, jingle bells, jingle bells. We have number 1. Number 1. We have here
Hauptsache es ist ein Box.
number 1.
So weird. So weird.
Jingle bells,
I
jingle
should give
bells,
that to you.
jingle. Yeah.
I'm going to throw that over to you. You have to catch it.
No, don't. Some others is gonna kaput. We have here number 3. Who's number 3? You're number 3? So, what we have here? We have number 2. Who's number 2? You. You don't know if it's a big bus, Fancy. You don't know if it's a big
How would
bus.
you know it's a big bus?
Yeah, put it down.
It's a
Fancy.
train. It's a train.
You don't know yet. We have here number 1. Who's number 1? We have here number 2. Who's number 2? You are number 2. Put it down. We have here. It's a bit big, no?
Number 3.
You are right. Number 3. Who's the luckiest number of them all? We have number 1.
Oh my goodness. And then you got
Give me
so
that.
many!
That's it, guys.
Oh, so heavy.
Maybe doesn't. I
No,
know.
Okay. We have
Number 3.
number 2.
We shall.
What do we have
Die
here?
Prinzessin da, ey.
We have number 1. Aha. Who, who, who?
Number 2.
Who?
Number
Other side.
Who?
Weihnachtsmann ist da. Ist das nicht
Wo ist
das,
das?
das dumme
Number
Teil?
3.
Number 3.
Oh, thank you, present.
You know what? That warm water bottle, you should actually take that.
We have number 1.
Franzis, willst du einen Deckel bekommen? Wer weiß.
Ja, du kriegst eine Elektrodecke.
Wer will einen Deckel?
We have number 1. We have
Number 2.
number 2. Fans. Ja, genau. Big
Ja, dann
Love.
hau das auch zusammen.
We have here. Who is the luckiest? We
That's
have
me.
Papa number 3. Are you number 3, Pa? Who's number
let me
3?
think.
You are number 3. You are number 3. What do we have here? What do we have here? Oh God, this is so
Ich. Regenbogen. Das ist meine My nick, my motto.
We have here number 4. Who's number 4?
Papa.
What number is that, Francis?
No, I'm number 5.
Two.
Number 2? Who's number 2?
Ready?
Oh my God, this is big. We have here number 1. Number 1. You have number 3? Wait. We have here
Number 3.
4. Number 3. The heaviest.
Is it heavy?
Number 1. We have here number 1.
give the deduction.
And we have here
Number 2.
number 2. What the heck? We have number 1.
But the deduction.
Oh my God! It's number 1. Okay.
Are you having
Okay.
enough?
No.
Ich habe so viele.
We have here number. This is for Papa. Number 11 forever. Number 4. Okay. So this one is. Oh my God! This is number 4.
And my 4.
Francis, this for Papa.
And my 4.
Who is having the biggest? Come on, sit down, Francis. Sit down, Francis. Who's having the biggest here? Who's having the biggest here? What are you doing, Francis? Organizing.
Nobody knows who's this.
Nobody is gonna know who is that here. Oh, probably Santa Claus here. This is for Papa. Okay. I don't know who is this for.
What the heck?
How about this? Sit down there. Sit down here. Sit down
Maybe
here.
yours, Mama.
Probably mine. I'm gonna.
That is yours.
This is mine.
That is yours.
Thank you. I have
Mama,
mine.
you need to say no.
Sit. How do I? He said. Santa Claus said to him. Francis, what are you doing?
You like the Debbie
What are you doing?
Yes, Debbie.
Okay, come on, sit down because I have to read here in the back. What number is this? Okay. Who? What number are you?
3.
You?
2.
You?
1.
Me is 5, right? Number 5, then you are number 4. Oh my God. What a lucky guy you are. Number 4. This is for you. It's number 4.
I cannot get it.
This is number 4.
Aber ich habe auch, ich mag auch Dinosaurier.
Du bist gewonnen.
Okay. This is for Papa. So just yes for Papa.
That's for me. Wait. Whose is this? Das was Francis.
Okay.
What?
I have to read it again, Pam.
We don't
Where's the
read
letter? Where's the letter? Where's the letter? Where's the letter?
Where's the letter?
Where's the letter?
Wrong day.
Francis.
I think we have to go to the UN.
No, wait. Wait a second. Santa said there is two biggest box. The dinosaurian is for number 3. Are you number 3 pa?
No, princess.
Yeah.
Are you number 3? The dinosaurian. Is that the dinosaurian? Oh my God. Okay. Oh, sit down there. Sit down.
Captain.
Sit down. That is saved now. Okay.
That's mine?
No, it's
Come on.
Oh, there's still another big.
We swap.
No. That's a cheating. No.
There's still another big one here. I have to check the number. You are number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5.
Why am I not the last one?
I'm number 5. What? Shh. It's number 5 for me.
Cookie.
It's number 5, sister. Yeah, number 5. Sister.
Whoa!
It's number 5.
Show me where.
Here. It's number.
Where?
It's number 5, da.
Francis has his chin there. She cannot see.
Wait a second. Let me read the letter from Santa Claus. Come on. Let me read the letter. Francine cannot see number 5. Let me see. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. To Francine, Francis, Mama Jean, Papa Frank, Ella. I hope you are very happy on your gift. Two biggest gift, the one dinosaurian is for number 3. And the other big box, I forgot, I put a mistake number there. That's number 5, but that's for number 2.
Number 2.
You are number 2? It's a mistake. Here's your letter. You can keep that from Santa. So this is yours. Okay. Leave it there because it's too heavy. You can't lift it. It's too heavy. It's erased already. He can do magic. Who's gonna open first? Out. Who's gonna open first, Ella? I think Francis is, because he's the youngest.
Watch his finger.
Yeah. So.
I think we will open it. I don't have no big ones. For you. I will put this one too. I don't know what
So?
is inside.
At least I got many than yours.
Yeah. No way. I got the face.
Yeah, what else is so weird?
It's maybe
This
not.
is the
Socks. Pile of socks.
How do you know?
I see socks. I see socks.
It's not even open yet, Francine.
da unten.
It's a car.
No.
Da unten ist doch ein.
Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside.
Dich mal, ich will auch
Yeah.
Yeah, wait a second, Francis. I would say this one.
The big one.
On, like.
Ja.
Yeah.
Moving ba?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe it's again a faja.
This is not paper, no?
No.
Okay.
Here. No, not yet. Let him finish it.
Not done.
Yeah.
Let him finish his boxes,
Open
all
it.
his boxes. And then
Sa clothes?
after that we can.
Wow. So Philly jumper now. Okay.
Now he got
Where's your socks? Now you have a socks,
Yeah.
you have a jumper. What the heck? Next one, I would say this one.
Me think this is something
No, you
missing.
you open it carefully so we
I
can
think
use that
there's a
next
bus.
year?
Huh?
Oh my god, I see oh, there's a bus, there's a bus, there's a bus.
Ich schwör's dir, ne?
She gets more excited.
I said it's bus. A bus. That's a bus.
Breathe. Breathe. Breathe, Francis. Breathe.
Oh God.
Breathe, Francis.
Let's see home.
Ja, Francis.
Okay?
Okay? Can we continue now?
That's what I mean. It's overloaded. So much.
When we see the bus, he direct that's the one to open.
Okay, I would say this one next. Warte.
Francis, here can open. Here can be open.
Ecke.
Last year you have to help him, not this year. He's really doing it himself.
We went sofa.
Was, ein Sofa?
Ja, ich weiß
Was
genau.
ist das?
Ja, für Sofa. Also, du wartest da.
Oh, Headset.
Ah!
Ein Headset. Ja, ein Headset. Cool.
Cool.
Ich gehe jetzt.
Hier.
Headset. Hey,
Cool.
Cool. It says it.
wir machen eine Bar.
Okay? Headset, what do you say to Santa?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank
Okay,
you.
this one next.
We need open.
Francis.
Okay. Ow! Papa.
Weil
Damn
wir-
it. This is
Mhm.
the way he blunted. Now look on the side.
Should I wake you once we are finished?
Mit der Bier.
Was ist das?
Ist das Hot Wheels? Mit der ganzen Weltbier.
Ich schwör's dir, Francis. Playmobil.
Mit der ganzen
Frank will das
Weltbier.
haben.
Ja, ich. Ist für mich. Bist du sicher? Hast du die Nummer nicht?
Oha.
Wow. Real race car.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh yes. Ja. And next one.
Okay, what did Adela
Ist das der
say?
Kinderwagen?
Ja. Das ist
Oh,
way.
das ist besser.
Das ist Autosatz.
Oh.
Das kann man. Wie weit ist das? Ja.
You have to remember there's still.
Gut.
Wie weit ist das? Fix das.
Gut.
Okay, next.
Matron.
No, he has
The
still.
biggest.
Das dauert 100 Jahre, ey. Mama, kann ich aufhören mit meiner Brust?
First, you gonna.
We need to look what that is. Gonna look.
Also hier. Reiß mal richtig auf hier. Mach mal richtig hier aufreißen.
Du bist so langsam, ne? Ich schwör's dir.
Alles. So, und jetzt hier unten auch. Alles auf.
He sees already in the side.
Nee.
It's in the side.
Ja,
Huh?
I know. It's right. Das noch. So.
Boat! Boat
Now.
The moment of
Why do you whisper all the time there? Dun, dun, dun.
What do you get, Francis? What is that,
A
Francis?
toy car.
What's up
Right
there? my God! Francis, what do you do? Francis!
Okay, take away the plastic, the paper. Take away the paper.
He doesn't know
Yeah.
anymore.
That paper down below. Down below. That paper. Away. Oh, that paper.
No,
here.
he's completely.
Take it. Put that away.
Francis!
You said.
There's a picture there. It's there. Okay, there. Francis! Francis!
A toy car. You can wipe it. That is.
Can you go over here on that
Here,
side?
go in that
on
side, Francis. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Maybe it's a small car there, eh?
No.
No, the biggest. Mama,
Ah?
man darf ohne eine Erwachsene mit das driving. Oh, the kids can drive with that. It's a toy car. A toy car. Watch it in my movie. Look, a toy car. How we made it, fix it.
Not now, not now. Let them open first.
Do it.
Here, please. Yeah.
Nathan,
He just wants to open the thing.
it's not heavy.
You cannot. Okay, Francis,
You
go
need
in
to
this
do
side.
it
You
later.
can play
Yeah, we
there.
have something tomorrow.
Yeah, to build. Yeah? You can play for that small one first. Not the big one. Sit in that there, huh?
Share. Do it like this.
Bate courts.
Yeah.
Oh, Francis, bate.
Okay.
It's.
My favorite nails.
You have nails?
Girl, you're so fast. You didn't even look at it.
Open it. So pretty.
Francis, Papa's gonna open it for you. Okay,
Open it.
Please.
please, go there. Go there, because Francis is opening hairs. She didn't give a shit of them anymore. That's
Of course not.
like,
In the last one, I was to open my big presents. And then I fast.
Warte, warte.
And then
Warte, das ist noch. Ja, schau.
Now. Girl, chill. You're breaking the whole box.
yeah, I
Was
know.
ist das?
Yay! Eine neue Puppe! Was? Was? Das ist doch in!
where?
Mama, ich hab doch eine doch da oben schon.
Maybe Santa gave you again one.
Ah, wow! Rosa, you don't know that, eh?
Wait, wait.
Junge, bitte.
She's
Nein, das ist die Nummer 3.
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, I need to help you this time.
How fast?
Yeah?
Where was it?
Yeah, done. Like it.
Oh, Santa really rough it. I knew. Da. Santa let you suffer, no?
Look how it's. She really like, until the hands are bleeding.
Yeah, every time I go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Girl, you're so fast. You didn't even do anything yet.
Just a second.
Eine Jacke.
Oh
Oh,
my
noch
god.
There's some spa.
Yeah.
Spa.
Can you come?
Whoa, Elsa and Anna? No. Do I think it's a dress? Yeah!
Show me. What is that there?
I hope it's a dress.
Here.
Oh, it's a dress!
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Girl, you're not even looking.
You didn't look.
That's what I did
Wow.
dress.
What is that?
Play-Doh! Papa, that's me one.
Oh,
Papa, me want this one. Papa, got Play-Doh!
What the? Who buys that? Who gets this?
Santa Claus.
But I don't think so. It's like slime. I don't like that.
My last present now.
Give me the plastic
Yeah.
for my dress. What's going to happen? Let us see. Show you. What's that?
Whoa, ouch. Ow. Mama, ist das aber Quatsch. Ich öffne es.
Ano, die größte.
Papa, look.
Come on, Ella can open. Ooh, that is nice.
Check mal.
Nein.
Glow in the dark.
That's it?
Ja, steht doch da.
Okay.
Oh,
What is that?
does it show anything?
Oopsie doopsie.
No, doesn't show anything.
Oi, watch out here, Francine.
But see, don't get
The Christmas tree.
Mama, das passt dann auf
Pera.
Halloween. Mama, das
Yeah, play deck or play a second.
What do you think?
I think
It's a
What?
TV. It's
No.
a TV. No, I know. It's a TV.
it's a sofa for my room.
What do you need a sofa for, girl?
No,
Go
I
there,
like
stand
the
there.
TV.
Achtung, Achtung.
Okay.
Geh mal weg.
Achtung, Papa,
Weg.
Achtung.
How passing?
Achtung, Papa.
Definitely a
Something heavy.
TV.
Da siehst du doch schon, was es ist.
Which one do you open first?
Und dann am Ende ist das. Was ist denn Ding?
What's that? What the heck is that?
Ich raub den nicht jetzt einmal egal.
Put that there. Mak. Oh, okay. Makda. I really. She's.
Was habt ihr gemacht?
I don't know. He's the number one here. I don't know what.
You know what do you have the scarf for? Hang yourself.
Not that you throw it away.
I should have thrown it away.
And bag.
Hey.
So, I'll pass in there, Francis. Francis, go away in the video. Ella is opening his gift, her gift.
Mama, what can man do it for?
Yeah.
Zahnbürste? Kann ich das nutzen mit meinem Zahnschwamm?
Yeah.
Die hängen hier.
What is that? Electric toothbrush?
Das muss
Ah. Yeah.
Mama, look. It can be like this.
Uh-huh.
I got bed. I got bed. Let's open out this.
So, Francine, here.
Aha! She has a Bluetooth headphone. You can Aha! What will you say to Santa Claus, darling? What will you say to Santa
Thank
Claus,
you.
darling?
Thank you. Ich weiß nicht, was die hier gelegt
I don't know
haben.
what he did. It's him who's packing. What's that? Ah, okay. Oh, so feel now.
Warum ist es so schwer?
I don't know. You need that, right?
Yeah.
For your painting.
Nothing.
Arrange that before your condo is gonna kaput.
Ich glaube, ich kenne das.
She knows what it's that.
100% ein Buch. Das ich nie lesen werde.
Nein? Warum nicht?
What? Yeah, warte ko. You got that book.
Mama, then we fix this. Mama, then we
Yeah.
fix this.
No, don't open that now.
No, I
I
fix
just
it.
close it again because you.
Oh, just guess. Yeah, he got a guess.
We were not playing with
Wait, kusan. Oh, she had a pot money. It's a good luck when you have a pot money. And there's an inside on that. But only cash what I have in my wallet. Oh,
Mama, you know.
it's a good luck.
Was ihr Ding verpackt hat? Nancy?
That's only one. I don't know where did you. What's this?
Das.
What's that? Ah! See, there's a warmer there. You get crazy on that last year.
Aber ich habe noch in meinem
Daddy, do
Auto.
you
Yeah?
want that
Stop
needle?
it.
Oh my God, it's only for 3 years.
What is that?
There's a warmer in that hand warmer. With a hand, remember with the winter time?
Try it, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ich kenne das. Ich kenne das.
Look at the sound.
Ich war dabei, wo du das gekauft hast.
It's you who pick it. So you...
Nein, das war du.
Frances!
So, guck mal.
That's not where the
Fluffy,
camera is.
Lilo, and
The
Stitch.
camera is on.
So, it's not
Oh, wait,
taas. This cannot
Not
pass.
where the camera is.
Wo ist das?
Shira.
Schere.
Oh, Ella.
Papa, you come here.
Ay, ah. Now you have
Ich glaube nicht.
all the stuff.
What is this?
Yeah, where was that?
Oh, that's what
Oh, what do you got there? Shoes. Show out.
Das ist für mein Sport.
Only one
I
shoe.
don't know.
Only one shoe. Is there
Only,
not two?
there's no pair?
Nö.
It's a pair. Show me. See still? Ah, it's a nice shoes.
Where do you go?
Let's start something.
Yeah, he gonna puke now all what he. Look at that, these kids. Oh, you got another shoes. Uvex. Oh my God, you get another shoes about Uvex brand.
Mama, how many days we can order your
Christmas again. Okay. My birthday just 10 days. 1 week.
Yeah.
No, no, please. There's still New Year. It's okay, Francine. Don't need to worry about my birthday. I'm happy to see you that Santa Claus give you everything. Oh my God, Mutsu.
Ein Pulli. No?
Pangguwap, tanga po na sa Silupin. Ay,
Aber ich will das nicht.
yeah, tanga po sa Silupin para makita po sila unsay nakuha ni Dra. Yeah, just back. Eine Pulli.
Ein Pulli.
Aha. So.
Das muss ich
Ja,
sowieso
eine
denken.
Mütze.
Ja, eine Mütze.
Is that there? Oh, pang Disneyland yun, di ba? For Disneyland.
Oh my goodness, Aaron.
You have a ring there. Up.
Ein T-Shirt.
Mm. Ooh.
Francine, try to keep it together. Ne?
Yeah.
They're all flying around.
Das ist nicht
Francine.
so groß.
Nee,
They're getting
it's
loose.
small, extra small.
Extra small.
Extra small.
It was too long.
It's off.
Yeah, lang.
Mama.
So you can really use that.
Sulang. Emma sulang. Mine is auch sulang. But the hawak is fine. Da?
Yeah.
Yeah. Emma sulang. It's for winter
You
time.
are you fit in there.
What? It's a new trend now. Chuk, chuk, chududu. Sister. Sakto sa imong hawak. Udah?
I remember that. Sama, was yan in our life.
Should be there. It's a small. Give me that.
What is the last one? Ein Jacke. That fit that. Fit that is a new. I decided it never open.
Gangster.
Yeah, it fits on her. That's the new trend now. The gangster style, 1980s, 1970s. Fit on your highway, your size, na?
Muss ich das jetzt machen?
No, I just wanna see if how big is that. Yeah, fits on you, na? Oder? Good. What will you say to Santa Claus, everybody, people, kids in the world?
Thank you.
Thank you. They cannot now. So, are you excited with? Are you excited what Santa Claus gave to you? Your balls are so big.
Oh,